Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video for y'all. This is a simple style you can do by yourself. This is the braiding pattern that I use for this hair for easy styling, and this is what the braiding pattern looks like from the back. So you will need a couple of things: your crochet needle, your scissors, and of course the hair that you would want to use for this style. So today I'm using the Janet collection Kinky Crush hair. I found this hair at beauty supply store and I am loving every bit of it. The curls are really nice and natural, and I'm super excited for y'all to see what this looks like when I'm done. So I'm just gonna head to trim off these ends from the extension, and I'm just going to go ahead and start with my crochet. If you already know how to crochet, this part should be easy. Just start from the very back of your hair. You would want to crochet in such a way that you can put this hair up if you want to. But yeah, that's basically what I'm doing right now, just crocheting the back, and in a bit I'll show you all how to actually crochet, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so this is the part y'all are probably waiting for, and what I'm doing right now is just taking my crochet needle and making sure it's open. Make sure the latch hook is open. Just push that through your hair and then put the extension on there, and then close the latch hook. Close it like so, and then just go ahead and pull it through your hair. And from there, all you're doing is just removing that needle and then putting the two strands of hair through that hole right there, and then tightening the knot. Really easy. Let me do that one more time for y'all. So again, put it through, put the extension in, close the latch hook, pull it through, and then push the two strands through that hole. Yeah, and so far I've used like one pack of hair. Yeah, and this is what it looks like at the back. So now I'm just going to show you all how I did my part. So I did the invisible part method, and this part just made it look really natural. So what I'm doing is just the same crochet method, but this time I just twist this part a little bit and then put only one strand of hair through that hole. So I put it through like so, and then just pull that through and then tighten the knot. So you will not be pushing in both strands of hair, but you'll be pushing in just one. So watch closely one more time. Make sure your latch hook is open, and then put your extension on the needle. Close the latch hook, pull the hair through, and put only one strand of hair through that hole, and then tighten your knot. And then just flip it over, and you got yourself an invisible part. I really do hope this looks simple enough. If you can see that bold empty patch right there, I went in and put some hair there, so I filled up that spot after I was done with the hair. Now I'm just repeating the method one more time for you all so you see, and this is what I did for the center part as well as the side part. So this is what it looks like when I was done with it. I really like it because it looked so natural when I was done. And this is what I did for the middle part, like I said, and I did the same exact thing for the side part. The goal here is versatility, y'all. So when I was done, it looked so crazy, but I went in with my scissors and just trimmed it a little bit. This is the kind of hair that you shouldn't trim too much from the beginning, because you just might like the really full look initially, and then as you go along, you just might want it a little bit smaller. So it gives you some leeway to do what you want with it. And that's it, guys. So let's see what this looks like. Hello everyone, so I am done with this hair. I do hope the video is very helpful and helps you out if you're trying to achieve the same style. So one thing I like about this is because of the versatility. I like that I can make it a middle part, a side part, and I can also wear it in a mini fringe like this. So yeah, this hair is very nice. It just looks really natural, and that's why I love it so much. And I actually came across this hair randomly at a beauty supply store. So goodbye, definitely goodbye. So I'm happy about it. So yeah, just let me know what you think about it. And it is very soft, very lightweight, like I said before. And yeah, that's it. Nothing to it, but I hope the video helps somebody out there. So y'all let me know what you think in the comment section below. I will put all the things I use in the description box below, and y'all let me know what you think. Like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Alright, I'll see you all next time.